In the lumber business, moisture matters. And your ability to track, analyze, and act on that data, that's what sets top producers apart. Introducing WoodStat Pro, an easy-to-use advanced moisture analysis software built to optimize your drying process and boost your bottom line. Save time and streamline your work with quick import. Dive deep into your moisture readings to spot trends, catch inconsistencies, and fine-tune your kiln drying or storage process with confidence. Generate customized reports at the click of a button. Export or print PDFs in moments so your team, partners, and clients are always in the loop. Assign meter names, customize species lists, and manage devices all from one intuitive interface. WoodStat Pro puts full control in your hands. Compatible with the new L5300 industrial handheld moisture meter and an upgrade from StatPack for L622 users, WoodStat Pro seamlessly fits into your workflow. Don't leave quality to chance. Use your data to reduce waste, increase profitability, and elevate your quality control. Visit wagnermeters.com to learn more or call 800-505-1409 to speak to a moisture measurement expert for personalized guidance.